buddy. What you doing? Hi, Aiden. Are you going to show everybody how you scoot? Come on. Where you going? Huh? Oh, you want your seat, huh? Where are you going? You're getting places now. You trying? Almost 4 months old.
Oh.
Hey. Hi.
Bye-bye.
Oh yeah, they're going bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Can you give Aiden a kiss?
Hey.
Are you going to give Levi a kiss? Of course. Levi's your favorite. Okay, I'll give Aiden a kiss. I know, he's getting somewhere, huh? Yeah. Oh. Yeah, Levi. No, 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 don't touch. Levi. Who's that? Aiden. Try saying it. Aiden.
Oh, I'm cheeky.
Can you dance for me? Get up and dance. Get up and dance. Say hi.